Hi, I'm Richard Marshall, Sector Managing Director for our transport business, and I'm here today at our fantastic new contract with West Midlands Metro at their Wednesbury depot. I'm really looking forward to see what we can do with this piece of business over the next 3 to 5 years, and it's a fantastic addition to our portfolio with our first light rail contract in the UK.
Hi, Sean Walker, Midland Metro Limited's Infrastructure Manager. Excited for the new contract venture that we've got with OCS as we onboard their cleaning services across our trams. Looking forward to this partnership and how we can grow together in delivering a great service for our customers.
My name is William Downey, I'm the Head of Rail Projects for OCS. Really proud to be here at West Midlands Metro, our newest contract that started with us on the 1st of April. 18 colleagues joined us. New equipment, new uniforms, mobilised in a really short space of time, but really excited to see what they can do and look forward to working with West Midlands Metro in the future.